back with SW Outdoors, SkyWalker Outdoors, and filming on my phone. I do have the camera up here for a little overlay helmet, but I'm here to talk to you guys about my new product, my new pruning mini chainsaw. Just like I said, I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and I'm liking it. It's a really good little piece of kit just to carry up in the tree for right now. Sorry for that noise. I do have my own pair of climbing gloves in it, but it did come with a pair of white gloves. Everything inside has a little oil container for chainsaw oil. It comes with an extra 6-inch, 1.5 mini chainsaw blades, 2 200 milliamp hour batteries. It does have its own little charger ports connected with inside the battery itself to charge. Really wish it would interact with, you know, Black & Decker chargers and other chargers like that, but it does come with its own charging cable, jack plug-in type like that, and the chainsaw itself does have a safety guard, does have a cover that comes with it, and then some little additives, chainsaw files. It does come with instructions on the angle in which to cut. Not 100% sure what the brush is for, but it does come with a brush. If anybody knows, definitely tell me. It does come with a screwdriver. I'll say and what all that's for. It does come with a socket for the bolt to take down the housing, and I'll definitely show you guys how to take everything off, do some adjustments with it and everything else. So with that being said, it does store inside without the battery connected to it, but all's well, it ends well. I did put some looping on it with a carabiner, again, just to put on my climbing harness, my work belt, as I climb up the tree. So it's stored away. So to take this down, again, it comes with its own tool. You take the bolt off, unscrew it, and then the housing comes off. But all this does lift off. Again, does have great replaceable parts that you can get offline through, I want to say, Seesii, or C's, maybe just the 2 lines and not like double I's instead of double E's. I'm not 100% sure. But it does, on piece right here, it does have a guide to, it shows you exactly direction to place the chainsaw blades itself, directional wise. See, so once you put that on there, you see that on the picture, it's backwards, you can see. So definitely don't want to be having your chainsaw blades backwards. It's not going to help with anything once you cut. And it just falls right into the grooves of the piece. Oh, set that aside for right now. Inside, right here, it does come with, let's see, it does come with this little piece right here, and that's what the screwdriver's for, is to adjust the tension. This is the tensioner screw right here for the saw blade. And again, once you put it on there, you just screw it and it slides the tension of that little bolt right here, just so that you don't have a loose blade and it gets snagged constantly as you're using it. Maybe it is just here to like, maybe just brush the debris and everything off. Maybe that's all it is, just like a little cleaning brush. I'm gonna take it out, show a little of the cutting, but it does well. It is a phenomenal little chainsaw for the cost. But yeah, putting it back together, same way, reverse, putting the housing piece. And again, here's some specs on it. Is a cordless pruning saw. It is a 6-inch M6 light, a DC to 18 to 21 volt, 800 watt max. And again, it does come with a 2-stage pressed safety. So here you have to press it and then to engage the trigger. Other than that, the trigger doesn't engage unless you press that, which is good. Put the cover back on and we'll do a little demo of the chainsaw and how it, oh gosh, come on. I am gonna be fighting this bad boy. All right. You were just on there, bro. You were just on. And now you don't want to. Okay. There you go. I might need to tighten her up just a little bit more. So I get it back on. Again, this is a new tool for me, but great since getting it. And again, you definitely don't want to strip anything, because once you do, it's no good. Again, slip the battery on, press the button. Like I said, it does come with a container for your chainsaw, and gear her on up. So yeah, like I said, let me put everything back up. I don't know, I keep looking at that one. Let me put everything back up and we'll get to a little mini demo. All right, let's go. All right, so guys, this is the full setup. Helmet, got the camera, ear protection. Just got this off for right now just so I can hear. Chainsaw really isn't that loud. It is, but not enough to have the ear protection, but it's always good to rather be safe rather than sorry. But yeah, got it just hanging off right here. I'm just gonna demo it for you guys just to see what exactly it can take down. So stick around, guys. All right, guys, so I actually have some couple same diameter logs, this big bad boy right here, and a couple small ones just to show you, I mean, it could go through all of these, no problem. Oh, give me a minute. Let's, just like so. Now, let's try to balance this bad boy, see what we can get. But this one, I want to try to do my best to cut evenly because I am projecting with these logs for some woodwork. It does have a small LED right there, but we're not going to turn it on and turn on the light, pointing it towards us. But yeah, just go straight through this like nothing. It gives it a minute, but let's try this big bad boy and see what we can get. Like I said, the bigger the diameter, you just gotta play it. All right, let's get these chunks off. So let's take that as a win. Is a tool worth buying, especially in the trees for small work. So hope you guys somewhat like the demonstration review type situation. She is a really good purchase. So if you guys are looking for a small pruning one, definitely get into getting this. It does have an extender pole that you can also buy kit-wise with a lot of other bundles and stuff like that. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.